brow products recommendations, please. Okay, what am I doing? I ask myself every 5 seconds what I'm doing. Okay. I've had my YouTube channel for how long and I still don't have an intro down, so let's get into this one. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is another back to school tutorial I'm doing. This is obviously more done up than the one I had done last week. I will leave that down in the description bar down below in case you wanted to see that video, but I wanted to do something with some wing liner, a little bit of eyeshadow, and I just added some lashes and lips just to complete the look for the video. However, you can really skip any step in this makeup tutorial or keep going and add more. Just take this tutorial and make it your own. Before we get into today's video, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and let's just jump into today's video. So we're gonna do another back to school tutorial. I'm gonna be using mostly drugstore products in this video. However, I want to go a bit more glowy with this, so I do have to use some high-end products, but I'm going to try to keep this as drugstore and affordable makeup as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in and prime, and my favorite drugstore primer, my voice just like cracked. Am I like a boy going through puberty? Apparently. So I'm going to be priming my face with my Angel Veil Primer by NYX. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Full Coverage Weightless Feel Foundation. So I'm actually going to mix my Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in with the Infallible Total Cover Foundation. I just want to go for a dewy skin look today, so that is why I'm mixing in this product with this foundation. A good drugstore alternative for this would be the Mary Luminizer Liquid Highlighter by the Balm. I have yet to pick that up, but I really want to try it out. And then I'm going to blend it in with my Stands Out Beauty sponge. You guys know how much I love my Stands Out Beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and conceal with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have mine in the lightest shade, and I'm just going to use this under my eyes and down the center of my face. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of the Liquid Glow just on the high points of my face to enhance that dewy skin finish. This isn't necessary, but it just looks so pretty, so I love doing this. I'm going to be setting my under eye in the center of my face with my Airspun loose powder. I'm going to go in and set the rest of my face with my e.l.f. finishing powder. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. So now I'm just going to go in and sweep away the powder under my eyes. For blush, I'm going to be using my Sonia Kashuk blush in the shade Flamingo. For highlight today, I'm going to be using the Balm highlight in the shade Mary Lou. So now that we are done with the face, I'm going to go in and fill in my brows, and for today I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate. I don't have any drugstore brow products yet, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave those down below. Okay, so now that we're done with the face and the brows, we're going to move on to the eyes. So I'm just going to pick up a brown shadow. I'm just going to be dipping into my Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, this has been well used, well loved, and it's pretty dirty. This is one of my all-time favorite palettes just because it has such a great shade range right here. I'm going to be picking up this brown shade right here, and I'm going to work this into my crease and transition area just to add some definition. Next, I'm just going to be picking up this shade right here, and I am going to use that to blend out the line that we created with that brown shade. So now that we have those two colors down, I'm going to go in with this second shade right here, and I'm going to put this on my inner corner, and then I'm going to slowly blend it onto the lid. Then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that brown shade and just work that slightly onto the outer corner. Now I'm just going to do a quick wing liner with my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate. Okay, so now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to go in with my Morphe Coconut Liner. This is just a white liner, and I am going to put this into my lower lash line to open up my eyes a bit more. Then I'm just going to blend out that lower lash line with that brown shade we used in the crease. Then I'm just blending that out with that orange shade we used in the transition area. For lips today, I'm just going to be using my Maybelline lipstick. This is the Color Sensational in the shade 920 Nude Lust. Then I'm just going to line my lips with my Morphe liner in the shade Sweet Tea, and I'm just going to blend this into the lip area there. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is more of a done-up makeup look for school. You don't have to do the lashes. I never wore lashes to school. If you want to, by all means, feel free to. However, I just wanted to show you guys how far you can take this look. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below, and feel free to leave some comments down below letting me know what kinds of videos you would like to see from me in the future. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell button so you get notified when I post, and follow me on social media. I will have all of that linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.